I mean, last I checked, a life requires, basic things like a pulse.
Yes. Now I have to wonder. So, what have you figured out about these wonderful children of mine?
Well, you tend to turn into ash at the slightest issue, like getting stabbed a bit too many times.
Yes, yes, yes. Like all things, we die. Look at that. You figured out sticking the pointy end in something kills it. How wonderful. You must be quite proud of your intelligence.
Oh, so much. You have no idea.
So, what besides that?
Damn, I'm not using my DM powers enough to roast my friends.
Nope.
I feel like we're telling you a lot. Meanwhile, you're not telling us very much. Like you're